In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Vimeo video in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, this method will make your post more engaging by adding dynamic content. So let's get right into it. First, head over to vimeo.com and log in. Obviously, to embed a video from Vimeo, you'll need an account. Go ahead and sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Logging in ensures you can access all the features Vimeo offers. Once you're logged in, locate the video you'd like to embed. Find the URL of this particular video. Usually you can get this from the browser's address bar when you're viewing the video, but we're going to make use of the specific share functionality Vimeo provides. Click on the share button you'll see on the Vimeo page for your video. This button is your gateway to sharing your content elsewhere, including WordPress. Clicking it will usually open up a dialog with several sharing options. Here you'd want to copy the video link directly. Make sure you're grabbing the right link, as this is what you're going to embed into your WordPress site. Now that you have the URL, it's time to open your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all your site's content, including posts and pages. Choose the post or page where you want the Vimeo video to appear. You can edit an existing post or start fresh with a new one. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to add your video. To add the Vimeo video, you'll use WordPress's block editor. You'll want to add a Vimeo block for our video to live in. To do this, click the plus button, which allows you to insert a new block wherever you'd like in your post. When it asks you what type of block to add, search for Vimeo. You'll see an option for a Vimeo block. Click it and you'll find a designated space for your video to go. Now, it's time to paste that video URL you copied earlier into this block. After pasting the link, simply hit the Embed button. This action tells WordPress to fetch and display your Vimeo video in line with your content. Immediately, you should see the video appear right in your post editor. It's that straightforward. You can now preview the post to see exactly how your video will look to your visitors. If everything looks good, you'll know you've successfully embedded your Vimeo video. This approach is a great way to break up text, add visual interest, and keep your audience engaged. That's all it takes. Embedding videos can really enrich your content, and now you have the skills to do just that. Thanks for watching and happy embedding.